First of all, we will understand what is Heron's formula. Heron's formula is the formula which has been given by Heron. This formula is meant for measuring the area of triangle. Heron's formula says that area of triangle is equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s stands for semi-perimeter, a stands for length of side a, and b c stands for length of side c. These are the three sides, and semi-perimeter is equal to half of perimeter. Perimeter is equal to total of length of all the three sides, that is a plus b plus c divided by 2. This is semi-perimeter. Now we will understand what is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a geometric shape which has four sides. These are the four sides, and it has four corners. These are the four corners, and quadrilateral has four angles. These are the four angles. The word quadrilateral comes from the Latin words quadri, which means four, and the word latus, which means side. So quadrilateral means four sides. Some common examples of quadrilaterals include squares, rectangles, trapezoids, rhombus, and kite. Now in the case of rectangle, you can see that opposite sides are parallel, and opposite sides are parallel and as well as equal. All the angles in a rectangle are right angles, that is 90-degree angles. In the case of trapezoid, one pair of opposite sides is parallel. In this picture you can see that these opposite sides are parallel. Whereas in the case of rhombus, opposite sides are parallel. All sides are of equal length and opposite angles are equal. These are opposite to one another, and here this and this are equal. In the case of kite, which is also an example of quadrilateral, two pairs of adjacent sides are equal in length. You can see that this side is equal to this side in length, and this side is equal to this side in length, and these two sides are adjacent to each other. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.